Hi, I'm Chelsea Foster, and my theme for my lesson is shapes, and it's at a second grade level. So, language arts. The topic of this section is called Shapes in the Community. So how that is played out is students will go around and find 5 billboards or signs that they see in the community, and then they'll either take a picture of them and bring it into the class or draw them out. And as a class, we will depict what these signs are actually saying, and then point out if they have any grammatical error or if they should have been displayed as something different because of the grammar within it. So that would be language arts, and there is my standard. So now we'll go to drama. So we will read a book called Away We Go. That is a book that we will first watch as a video. That's how they're going to get their first exposure. And then as a class, we will read the book as a read aloud. And then students will be listening very carefully to the text and also observing all the illustrations throughout the book. And then the students will be asked to describe and classify each shape. The third exposure, students will be split up into groups. They will actually be writing a short little story dealing with shapes and characters, and then they will act them out in the groups and then make a multimedia presentation. This means that they will be recording their story and presenting it to the class. So I will be helping them do the recordings and making the video. Once they make this video, they will be acting out with using expression that helps them understand, and will help me understand if they are actually grasping all the concepts that we are learning. Also, this is going to be the standard. So we'll come over here and then art. So this will be called shape collage. Students will be given magazines to create a picture collage. They will cut out shapes and blend them all together for their final masterpiece. So they're going to cut out many shapes to make one big shape. So they can make either like circles or any sorts of shapes, squares, hexagons, anything. So this is going to be the standard for that. Music. This lesson is called I Am a Shape. This is actually a really fun song. I posted the video. Students will be learning all about the shapes and how shapes create art. So we will be doing a little dance that has 8 counts for each section. One section will be triangles, one section will be squares, and one section will be circles. So you can kind of see the dance in the YouTube video, and this is going to be the standards that are aligned with that. Science. Students will take a look at shapes in both the natural and design world. They will investigate what shapes can be used to design and build structures using appropriate shapes, and students will also explore various shapes and record findings in their science journal. They will record shapes that they will find around them and identify what they can be used to solve practical problems and other big structural things. So that is the science portion, and this is the standard that aligns with that. So for math, shapes in the classroom is what that activity is called. Students will go around the classroom, find 4 shapes. Once they find these shapes, they're going to name them, draw them, and identify them, name them, and then put their specific relevance of them. And this is also that standard that they're going to be using. And then our final one is social studies. that's called their map activity. Students will actually draw out a map of their city, and they will title it. They will have a compass and they will have a key. Students can also team up with a buddy to draw their map, otherwise they can do it individually. I want this map to be clean and very specific, and they also will be drawing shapes within the map. So yeah, this is my lesson over shapes for that second grade class.